So here's how to make a song using Suno AI. First up, let's head over to suno.com. And as you can see, we're already here. Now, you need to sign in or sign up for an account. So after signing in, as you can see, we're now in the dashboard. From here, you need to go over to the left panel. And as you can see, there are a lot of options here. Click on Create. Now, on the Create section, you need to describe your song. So under Song Description, type in the type of song that you want. You can also select instrumental if you want just the music without vocals. You can also add different genres from the inspiration section. And once you're done setting everything up, click on Create. And as you can see on the right side, your songs are now being generated. Each time you click on Create, 2 variants of the same song will be created. And once the song is ready and generated, all you need to do is click on the play button in order to give it a listen. And that is exactly how to make a song using Suno AI.